I just found out how to make a table in Canva. Previously, I made these calendars by going into Adobe Illustrator and making the template for the squares, right, that for the table, and bringing it into Canva and then adding all the numbers and words and everything. So I did not even realize we could make a table right in Canva. I'm Beth Corbett. I love working in Canva, and so let me show you this tool that Canva provides for us. Okay, all you do is just click here in the middle. Don't go get the text. Don't do anything. Just click right here in the middle of your page that you've created. Now go to your keyboard and type the slash, and look what happens in the bottom right-hand corner. This little window pops up, the little pop-up. Type table. Then come over and click on add table. You click that and check this out. You just highlight however much you want. So with a calendar, I either want 7 across and 4 down or 5 down. So let's just do that. To get it on your page now, all you do is you click again. And look, pops right over here to the page. Amazing. To size it, you just grab one of the corners. You can size it however you want. You can also use the centering tool and do it that way too. Okay, check this out. If you want to modify a row, you can manually do it like this if you want to. I'm going to do Command Z to back out of those. Same way with a column, you can modify those. I'm backing back out of those. If you realize, okay, I've just got in here, I need one more row. I don't want to have to go out and start again. Check out these pluses. You can add columns by adding plus here. Over on this side, you can add rows. You can also, there's a 3 dot over here. You can also size columns equally if you've like messed them up or something. Size row to the content. You can delete a row. You can add a row. So there's just tons you can do with this table. So put it on your page. Then you also, if you don't want a black and white table, you can come up here to the top left, way up here, and you can change your colors. So we can make this pink. We can come over here and give it a fill. So if you want to be hot pink, and then you wanted your column, your insides are like a pale pink, that's fine, but they don't show up too well. So we can also change the border width. Check this out. So you can also just make that white. So y'all, this is a game changer. This is so great. I can also see this as just a pale. Oh, see, if you just do one square, you can change the colors. You're kidding me. Okay, or once again, if you highlight the whole thing, then you can make it all just a pale table. Again, I'm just so excited to find this tool. It's going to be a game changer for me. I hope it is for you too. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.